Hey, hello friends, welcome to Be Learning Club. In this tutorial, I am going to showing you how can you partition the disk and how can you manage the disk. So this is the Windows 11 officially, and you can see here two driver. One is SSD and other is hard disk. So I'm gonna partition these hard disks. Okay, so let's start. And now open the disk management. So for this, just go to the search bar here and just search for disk management, disk disk, and just type management. So you can see here create and format hard disk partition. Otherwise you can type here disk disk and then type mgmt dot MAC. So you can run this, and you can run this the create and format hard disk partition. So open this. So the disk management has been opened. So otherwise you can go to the my computer, means this PC, and just here just right click here and just go to show more properties and go to manage, and now you can go to the disk management from here also. So after that, just this is my hard drive and this is basically SSD, you can see here. So I'm gonna partition this hard drive. So just right click on it and now click on shrink volume. So just click on it and just wait and just enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. Here I have total around 950 GB. So I just partition it 200 GB. It's around 200 GB. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 times 0 and 1, 2. Okay. So it's ready. So now click on shrink. So you can see here this is the unallocated disk, and obviously this is less than 200 GB. And now just right click on it and now click on new volume, new simple volume, and now click on next, and now click on next, and now you can choose there whatever you want: A drive, B drive, A drive, B drive, F drive, whatever you want. So here I just choose E, and now click on next, and here the file system NTFS and allocation unit size default and volume name, whatever you want, give a volume name. So here I just give it workspace, and now just click on next and just finish it. So wait some times and you can see here this is the partition with 195 GB. So now go to my computers, you can see. So just go to this PC and you can see here it is a workspace drive and this is the E drive, and you have successfully partitioned it. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. I hope you gain some knowledge. So if you like this video, then subscribe our channel. Thank you friends.